I've just added 3 tables, namely fund transfer, which is the interbank transactions. The second one is payment to your vendors, and receipt, the cash collected from customers. Here you see the 3 tabs added already. All these tables are listed on table summary, where you can download from GitHub. Just make sure you fill in the table description in the green area. If you want to add additional languages, simply left-click and then insert like this. Now let's work on the fund transfer interface. If I click inside fund transfer, the toolbars are done already. Feel free to refer to my previous videos on how to make these. Go to cell C5. The first one is reference and then withdrawal bank reference. Withdrawal bank ref. Withdrawal bank. Let's move on quickly. Withdrawal bank account English. Transfer ref. Withdrawn amount. Control 1. Separate it with a border. Withdraw and deposit. Deposit should be the same deposit. Bank ref deposit bank is basically the bank transaction details. Okay, error message. Deposit bank account English. So I just returned the bank's English description. Here you see that all links to this English description. That's the pattern. Simply link up everything to the English description and then deposit amount. OK, Shift N, right arrow and then click somewhere and then Control T. My table has header. Take it. Keep these names. Go back and I usually click somewhere inside the table. Go to table design and then just give it any color. Can't find purple, just pick blue, whatever. Go back to table summary. Copy cell D4. Control C and then go back to fund transfer. Cell C4. Control V. Then it'll grab info from the field list. Here you see index match. To grab the reference description, let me switch to Chinese, okay? Control C, blah, blah, blah. I go above the names and Control V. Then I'll show the description automatically. Oops, it returns Jap when I select Chinese because I didn't have Chinese version before. So I just put in Japanese under the Chinese column. I'll correct this later. You get the idea. Here I need a drop-down for withdrawal bank. Control 1. Let me add the border to separate it. Control 1. Go back to the amount here. The left-hand side is withdrawal. And this side is deposit. Just separate it. Select which amount to draw money. Control 1. Usually I just use green for input fields. White area is calculated, where green area is for input. Deposit bank has to be green. Shift N, down arrow, Control 1, green. Deposit bank ref has to be green also. End of part 1.